Fix Roblox upgrade error. How to fix Roblox upgrade error. So in this video, I will show you how to fix that problem. Now, first of all, go to settings. Now find apps and tap on it. Tap on manage apps. Now find the Roblox app. Now after that, tap on storage. Now clear data. After that, click on clear on cache. Tap on OK. Now another step is by allow all the permission. Now tap on all permission. And now from here, as you can see, tap on camera, tap on allow, tap on contacts, tap on allow, tap on files and media, tap on allow too, and tap on microphone, tap on allow too. So as you can see, after you allow all the permission, go and update the app. Open your Play Store, tap on search, and search for Roblox. After that, tap on it. And as you can see, if you don't see the play and you see updates, just tap on it and update the app. Now, after implementing all the steps, go back to your app and try to log in. I will log in and get back to you guys. And as you can see, guys, after following all the steps, you fix your problem. So this is how to fix Roblox upgrade error, the TheRichTech Executor. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.